figured I'd sit out here and get a beautiful day out here. It's sitting at 85, 86 Fahrenheit. And I actually got the wood burner fire going there, heating the pool, which we're going to enjoy that today. We'll be in the pool. It's already up to 83. Should be up to 86 within a couple hours. So yeah, we're going to enjoy one of my lemon wheat beers while I'm out here. Why wouldn't I? I reviewed it the other day. It's delicious. So I'm putting a chicken on the big green egg. We'll be putting that on and roasting that for 2, 3, 4 hours or whatever. And we'll have that for dinner tonight, which is going to be delicious. So I got to get some more firewood on that A-frame heater and get that thing cranked up. I was getting 186 degree water out the hose before, so when there's no wind I can really pump the heat out with that thing. So I'll put some more on there and get that temperature back up so we can do some nice swimming at a warm temperature. Why wouldn't I? We're going to roast the chicken like I said there after I was taste testing my beer. We'll get this on the big green egg and we'll close her down, and we'll get it up to a couple hundred degrees and let it cook for, well, until she's done. Why wouldn't we? I was just afraid it might be top heavy, but the wife said no. So let's close her down and damper it down. And we'll check the temperature in about 10 minutes and make an adjustment. After a couple hours, we'll get a reading on the temperature here, see what we're at, just so we know what we're doing. Boy, it's hot outside here.
I got a ways to go. 138.
Oh, is that what you're seeing? I can't see it.
138.2.
Really?
Yeah. Got a ways to go.
Okay, and you're right. Because I think this was kind of frozen when it went on.
Yep.
All right, yeah, she's got about another hour to go or so. And get this damper open up, make sure this is burning good. Whew. It's hot out here. Let it go for an hour. The chicken is off the big green egg, and it's all plated up here nice for me. And the wife made a jalapeno pepper with a bacon wrapped with her stuffing, and 2 pot stickers and a couple pieces of sausage. But the chicken is awesome, and a crab salad. Let's not forget about that. Crab salad is awesome also. So we're going to dive into this one. Probably start with the chicken wing.